I don't know what this is. I didn't ask for this. Call my mom, call my dad, call a therapist. I walk around looking down with my head down low. I had a friend, now I don't. He was 29. Didn't know how to be, how to live this life. Yeah, we've all read the stats, and we can do the math. It's not like you died in a crash or had a heart attack. I had a friend, now I don't, only 29. Is this what it's like? I don't understand. Is this what it's like? To be a man, to be a man. I don't understand. Won't someone hold my hand? Won't someone hold my hand? Kick a ball, drink a beer, crack a joke or two. Buy a house, wage a war, anything to prove that you are worthy of unconditional love. Maybe $1 million will make you feel enough. But even if you have it all, you've got it all to lose. Is this what it's like? To be a man, to be a man. I don't understand. Is this what it's like?